AMC and GameStop stock soared today, guys. Here's the update on meme stocks. So, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about the absolute ridiculous movement of meme stocks today. We're going to talk a little bit about GameStop and AMC mostly, but we're also going to talk about some of these other smaller ones, including BlackBerry, Clove, and Cost. So, if you guys are interested in meme stocks, you guys like the channel, please smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button to see more videos from me in the future. So what is going on, guys? So I'm going to read a quick article because these stocks have absolutely went crazy. So unadmittedly, I ended up closing out my AMC position at $30, guys. I wish I had held on my shares, but I ended up selling the shares. Okay, as you guys originally know, I bought in at $6. Wish I had just kept holding, but I don't know. I guess I thought that the momentum was done. So if we take a look here at AMC, we pull up this chart here. We'll just pull this up. So we can see, guys, that AMC stock is absolutely ripped. It was up 20%, guys, 20%. So, you know, I ended up getting out at around $30. I guess I figured the whole movement was over. If we take a look at the year-to-date chart here, we can see that it was basically, like I mentioned, you know, I got in at around $6 for you guys that want to verify that. You guys can just check some of my earlier videos where I bought in at around $6. I posted those videos on February on the channel. Just check out some of my previous videos. And I got out. I ended up selling some at around 60 or so, and then I ended up closing out my position around 30. Just took that money and paid off some bills, moved into some other longer-term plays like EV stocks and stuff like that. And now we have this, guys. So the AMC stock is absolutely ripping again. So we're going to talk a little bit about this. Let's head right into the article. So it says here that meme stocks post best days since June as GameStop AMC stocks surge. So here's a look at the basket of meme stocks. As you can see, it looks like they're coming back. So here's the article on Yahoo Finance. It says a group of 37 retail trader favorites tracked by Bloomberg soared 10% Tuesday, the most since early June. GameStop and AMC, two of the most closely followed meme stocks, surged 20% and 20%. So it looks like it's back, okay, guys. Today the volume is ridiculous. AMC 200 million shares and GameStop 14 million shares. So what is going on here, okay? Well, we've seen kind of a complete rally in the general market. Okay, so last couple of days have been really epic for just, you know, the stock market in general. Okay, it was absolutely getting crushed earlier. So we're going to talk a little bit about some of these stocks, particularly GameStop and AMC, and where these stocks are headed. So if you could take a look here, AMC traded as high as $48 today. GameStop was as high as $225, Cost $20, Clove was $9, and BlackBerry was high as $11.34. So obviously the shorts got crushed today. A lot of this, okay, is going to be a bit of a short squeeze. So we're going to take a look at those Ortex numbers on Twitter, and then we're going to talk a little bit about where I think some of these meme stocks are going in the future. Okay, so if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, be sure to follow me at Investor Trip on Twitter. As you can see here, Ortex updated right near the close. GME was up around 30%, generating losses for short sellers for $300 million. AMC is up, generating losses over $800 million, guys, today. So the shorts got absolutely crushed today, guys. This was a huge you know, day for the stocks. So if we take a look here at the latest Ortex update, we can see that the short interest is currently 18% of the float. Okay, so basically what's going on here is that, you know, a lot of these stocks have been ripping in general, and it just looks like the shorts got crushed today. So let's take a look at GameStop. We'll talk a little bit about GameStop. So once again, the same situation as you can see here, a massive green candle after basically, you know, literally 2 months of just, you know, boring activity and everything. Strong support at $133, guys. Now I find this a little bit interesting, okay? Partly in play here because I guess that there's been lessened concerns about the whole the Delta variant, and it just looks like people are a little bit more optimistic about things in general. So I don't really know how some of these reopening stocks are going to do. I've seen a lot of people optimistic, but I heard there's like another one in the pipeline. They call it Lambda, something like that. So I don't really know. I'm not a health expert or anything like that. I don't know about all the scientific matters and the things like that. But I'm just reading the news, just like you guys, trying to gauge what's going to go on. But this is optimistic news, okay? So, you know, GameStop has been one of the more popular plays in the whole meme stock phase. And you can see here that there has been massive resistance at around $300. So GameStop, once again, a company that is being turned around by Ryan Cohen. It's really trying to turn into kind of a whole e-commerce play, okay? For years, GameStop has been brick and mortar. They've been absolutely crushed by e-commerce stores like Amazon, so they're trying to turn things around. So in the long run, this is an interesting play as well. And then let's take a look at some of those other meme stocks. So these are a couple that I'm actually holding. I'm still holding BlackBerry, okay? I got absolutely crushed on BlackBerry, okay? I ended up buying right in at like, right around like $16, $17, and I've been bag holding BlackBerry, okay? What I ended up doing is I said, okay, this is a play on the EV market. BlackBerry, you know, absolutely got crushed by Apple in terms of the smartphone market. At one point, they were kind of leading things with their BlackBerry device, but that's been phased out. They're a software company now, and they have a lot of the software that BlackBerry uses is going to be used in the EV vehicles. So I said, what the heck? You know, it's like, you know, 17 bucks, pretty cheap stock. Ended up buying some shares, and I've been selling cover calls, just hodling this stock. So it's been nice to kind of see this stock jump up a bit. You know, I thought this was a longer term play for me. I thought at a very tiny market cap, okay, you know, just a $6 billion market cap or whatever, I thought that this was an interesting long-term play. And then another one I've been holding is Cove. So this is another Chamath spat, just like, not Open Door, just like SoFi, right? So this one, okay, once again, Clove. I've been holding Clove. I'm not down nearly as much on Clove. I didn't buy this massive increase, but it is interesting to see this because this is another healthcare company, okay, that's kind of futuristic. It's doing a lot of things to disrupt basically the disastrous healthcare system that's in the United States of America. So this was another one that interesting, had a nice big pop as well. So I'm not holding nearly as big a position on Clove, but it's very cheap, okay, these guys, a stock under $10 with a really tiny market cap of $3.66 billion. So I do think that there is some potential here as well. So where are some of the price predictions that I think are going to happen for some of these stocks, okay? Me personally, I think that, you know, this is probably, you know, this is a trend, okay? This is a meme stock trend. This is basically a short squeeze, okay? The shorts got crushed here. They had to close out their positions. I don't know how much of this is actually basically based on fundamentals. Very little of it, okay? The entire market is up. We're at highs for the NASDAQ and S&P 500. But if you're a long-term hodler, okay, you know, in the long run, stocks are going to go up simply because the dollar is going to continue to lose value. And the companies that are decent companies like AMC's done a lot to turn around. They're going to accept Bitcoin by the end of the year. The CEO has done a lot of things to kind of, you know, relate. So both of AMC and GameStop are going through transformational periods, okay? I'm a little bit upset that I got out of AMC. I'm going to probably look to get back in on a dip, okay? I'm not going to chase this run up. I don't really chase spikes in the stock, but I do think accepting Bitcoin and the whole new investor program where they're basically reaching out to the community is very interesting. GameStop as well. I think Ryan Cohen is going to turn around a lot of things, going to make a lot of things better. And some of these other stocks, Clove and BlackBerry, have some upside too. Cost, for me, Cost is just a meme trade, okay? This company isn't really doing anything special like the other four mentioned here. So there's definitely some upside. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give you guys some future predictions right here. I'm going to see where this goes, okay? We're going to see where this squeeze goes, if we're going to go much higher. If you've been holding some of these stocks, nothing wrong with taking a few profits on the way up. We're going to see where this leads to because right now we're pushing all-time highs, so we'll see if this holds up, but should be interesting to take a look at. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want to use the platform using this is Webull. You guys click the link in the description below. You get 2 free stocks. Or go to investortrip.com/Webull. Also, be sure to check out some of the links in the description below. My Substack newsletter that I'm going to start publishing again. I took a hiatus on that. I'm going to start publishing that again, guys. And be sure to check if you guys are interested in investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great way to diversify your portfolio. Make sure you guys use Coinbase. It's the most secure platform out there. Make sure you use Coinbase Pro if you're going to be actively trading there. Much cheaper than regular Coinbase. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.